Welcome to Travel Chef, and today we are going to make a snack and it is called Kalkals. Well, this is a Goan recipe and this is it can be made. Let's see how it is done. Come on. To make a Kalkals, the first ingredient is we have taken 80 grams of semolina or rava. We need to place it in a bowl. The next ingredient to add is ghee, which we will be adding around 3 tablespoons. The next step is to mix the ghee with the rava. Now we have mixed the rava with the ghee and we need to keep it aside for 5 minutes by covering it. We have taken 4 teaspoons of sugar and we have powdered it. This will be added to the Kalkals. Now we are taking 3 pods of cardamom, which we will be grinding it along with the sugar. So we will be having a cardamom tasting Kalkals. We have added 3 pods of cardamom to our powdered sugar, and now we are going to powder it in the mixie. Now it is 5 minutes and our rava is ready. Now we are going to add 80 grams of flour, or 1/3 cup of flour, to the rava, and we are going to mix it together with all the ingredients of rava, ghee and flour. Now we are adding the powdered sugar and cardamom mixture. We mix all the ingredients together. The next ingredient to add is salt, which is 1/4 teaspoon. We are adding 4 tablespoons of milk. Milk will help the dough to be made. Now we have mixed it and we have made it into a dough. Please ensure there is not much of excess water while we make a dough. Now we make small balls out of the dough. We take a small ball out of the dough and we roll it cylindrically. Now we have rolled our dough and it's now cylindrical. With the help of a knife, we need to cut it into small pieces. So we have now cut a cylindrical dough into small pieces. We once again roll it into a small ball. Now we have made it into small dough balls, and with the help of a fork, we need to flatten it. Place it behind the fork. And then we need to curl it. You can use a comb also instead of a fork. Yeah. See, now we have a round Kalkals. Now our Kalkals are ready to be fried. We have taken a clean tawa. We have to pour sufficient oil into the tawa to fry our Kalkals. We light the stove on high flame and wait for the oil to get heated. Now the oil is hot and we are going to place our Kalkals to be fried. Now we drop in our Kalkals and we fry them till they are golden brown in color. Now our Kalkals is fried and when we need to take it over the stove. Now our Kalkals is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below. Our Kalkals can be stored in an airtight container for 3 weeks, but I guess in this situation it may not last because it's too tasty and yummy. I think this may not last for another 3 weeks. It will be eaten immediately. If you like watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on our videos. This will really help us to improve our channel as well as help to improve our recipe videos that we make. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And until the next time, stay safe, see you soon. Bye bye. A new recipe called Kalkals. And this is a Goan recipe. and it's a snack that we are going to make. So, Inna, you're going to say, why don't you say it's a snack, Mumsi? It's a snack.
It is a snack.
Yeah.